Good evening. Welcome to BBC News at 9 o'clock. According to the United States Geological Survey, there are 1,500 active volcanoes can be found across the world. Today we have an interesting topic, which is, can lava and volcano kill us? Well, we'll know the answer from our volcanologist Dr. Fatma and Dr. Zainab. They made for us a report about the volcanoes and they come up with the idea that will protect the people from the volcano. But first, let's see this report. How volcanoes form. Volcanoes are formed when a molten rock escapes between two tectonic plates that are either moving apart or coming together. The molten rock rises from a magma chamber. The magma then escapes through vents in the earth's crust, causing volcanic eruption. The liquid rock that forms a volcano is called either magma or lava. Magma is the liquid rock found inside a volcano, then while it is called lava once it has erupted from the volcano. And that's how volcanoes form. Welcome back. Our volcanologists, Dr. Fatma and Dr. Zainab, they observed the volcanic eruption when they were in Indonesia, especially in Mount Tambora. Let's see this report. Hi, I am Dr. Fatma and my partner, Dr. Zainab. We saw a wonderful and scary volcanic eruption before 2 days in Mount Tambora in Indonesia. The weather was warm and sunny. Suddenly, the active volcano erupted. The ash and lava get out of the volcano. Lava reached temperature of over 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, lava volcanoes may erupt with a searing hot gas called pyroclastic flow. This gas, combined with the hot ash, can raise down the side of volcano as fast as 100 miles per hour and burning everything. Besides, VEI scale, that measure of the explosiveness of volcanic eruptions, tell us that Mount Tambora VEI equals 7, which lead to earthquake. And now my partner Dr. Zainab will continue.
Before the volcanoes start, the government puts in each house that might be affected by the volcano an earthquake sensor that protects people's buildings and animals that are living there. About the sensor, it will be similar to the fire alarm. The difference is the sound. It will be louder to warn people's there to take an action to protect themselves by the following and applying the government instructions. In addition, the government will provide training courses to teach them how to get ready to deal with this volcano, because the area that near to the volcano exposed to eruption per year. The government instructions were, once they hear the sound of the sensor, they should get into their houses and protect themselves by the given instructions by closing all doors and windows to avoid ashes and gases. Second, if the sensor bell, You must stay in the place you are in and don't panic. Third, if the volcano stops, the news will reach them as soon as the volcano is over by turning red sensor to white. Fourth, go back to your house if you were in somewhere else, but leave your kids behind someone who can take care of them while you check the house. Fifth, wait for the further announcements related to the volcano activities. Government procedures will take from each family tax for protection. It costs $5 per family. Will provide a basement for parking in each building and house to protect cars and trucks. Will provide the important element of the protection process, which is shutter with thermal vapor glass in solution and sound in solution to keep people safe and don't make them afraid. The protection process. When the materials with the less density will usually float or rise above higher density items of magma, will start to float to the top. There is a volcanic sensor that it will work when the instructions inside the volcanoes start. 2. The sensor will work, which means it will light up with red color and the alarm will start working. Also, they have a certain period time, 20 minutes, to evacuate the roads. 3. The people will apply the government instructions. 4. The shutter will come out from underground. It will surrounded by the house from all directions. So, the building will provide protection from all sides in terms of heat and volcanoes sounds. 5. After the volcano eruption end, the shutter will get down and the light will turn to white to let the people know that the volcano eruption stops. Warning: it might take lots of time, but the people have to become patient. 6. Just follow the steps and you will be safe, and the protection process idea will be successfully. Many impacts of the volcanoes. There are some. A volcano eruption causes massive destruction. It can lead to death of plants and animals by the hot lava and gases, destruction of buildings and properties, release of ashes that cover plants. It can also trigger other threats like tsunamis, flash floods, mud flows, earthquakes, rock falls. Or an area where volcano is likely to become inactive, you should be aware of the following advices to protect yourself. Prepare an emergency place to be in, and do not go near the volcano. Listen and apply the safety instructions that the government will give you. Leave the affected area and go to the safe area. Prepare all necessary things. For example, store as much food, water, light sources, and batteries that are very useful. Use mask and cover your mouth, your nose, and avoid breathing in ashes. Zainab Mahmoud, Fatima Abdussalam, reporting from Indonesia. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciated.
Welcome again. The answer of our question, can lava and volcano kill us? The answer is no. We just need to protect ourselves. So be safe and take care. Bye bye.